Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how are you today? I hope you are always healthy. Are you ready to learning English with Miss Tetty? Okay, today we are going to study about farm animals. Do you know farm animals? Farm animals are animals that are raised on farm for their meat, dairy products, or to help out the farmer. They are include cow, pigs, chickens, geese, and more. Nah, hewan ternak itu adalah hewan yang dibesarkan di peternakan untuk diambil dagingnya, produk susunya, atau bahkan untuk menolong para peternak di peternakan. Okay, now let's get to know the farm animals with me. Are you ready? Please listen and repeat after me. Sekarang, mari kita mengenal hewan ternak bersama saya. Apakah kalian semua siap? Tolong dengarkan dan ikuti setelah saya ya. It is a chicks. 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 It is a cow. 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 It is a pig. 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 It is a geese. 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 It is a horse. 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 Okay, now we are going to study asking about animals. To ask about animals, you can use this sentence. What animal is it? And to answer it, you can use the sentence. It is a. Nah, sekarang mari kita belajar bertanya tentang hewan. Untuk menanyakan tentang hewan, kalian bisa menggunakan kalimat hewan apakah ini? Dan untuk menjawab pertanyaan tersebut, kalian bisa menggunakan kalimat ini adalah. And here are some examples. The first is, what animal is it? Look at the picture. So, you can answer it. It is a chicks. Ini ada beberapa contoh. Yang pertama, hewan apakah ini? Lihat gambarnya. Gambar tersebut menunjukkan bahwa itu adalah anak ayam. Jadi, kalian bisa menjawab, itu adalah anak ayam. The second is, what animal is it? Look at the picture. So, you can answer it. It is a cow. The third is, what animal is it? Look at the picture. So, you can answer it. It is a pig. The fourth is, what animal is it? Look at the picture. So, you can answer it. It is a geese. The last is, what animal is it? Look at the picture. So, you can answer it. It is a horse. Okay, the next material is about asking about animals using yes or no question. The answer can be yes or no. Nah, materi selanjutnya yaitu bertanya tentang hewan dengan menggunakan pertanyaan iya atau tidak. Nah, untuk menjawab pertanyaan tersebut, jawabannya itu bisa iya, bisa tidak. And here are some examples. The first is, it is a chicks. Look at the picture. The picture is a chicks. So, the answer is yes, it is. Nah, ini ada beberapa contoh. Yang pertama yaitu, apakah ini anak ayam? Lihat gambarnya. Gambar tersebut menunjukkan bahwa itu adalah anak ayam. Jadi, jawabannya iya, itu adalah anak ayam. The second is it a cow? Look at the picture. The picture is a pig. So, the answer is no, it is a pig. Dan yang kedua adalah, apakah itu sapi? Coba lihat gambarnya. Gambar tersebut menunjukkan bahwa itu adalah babi. Jadi, jawabannya adalah itu bukan sapi, tapi itu adalah babi. The third is it a horse? Look at the picture. The picture is a horse. So, the answer is yes, it is. The fourth is it a pig? Look at the picture. The picture is a cow. So, the answer is no, it is a cow. The fifth is it a geese? Look at the picture. The picture is a geese. So, the answer is yes, it is. Okay, now let's get to know the farm animals by using songs. Here we go!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick here and a chick there, here a chick, there a chick, everywhere a chick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. A cow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. A pig. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Geese. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some geese, E-I-E-I-O. With a honk honk here and honk honk there, here a honk, there a honk, everywhere a honk honk. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. A horse. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With with a neigh, neigh here and neigh, neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, today we have learned about English vocabulary words of the farm animals, asking about animals by using what and yes or no questions, learn the farm animals by using songs. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, that's all our material. I hope you can understand about the material. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.